Some youths for Niger Delta don't come out come hold one we no go gree for Elemo Akpabio section for East-West Road to let the authority know the state of the road and make them come reconstruct the road for them. The youth constitute talk say make them not give the former minority leader for Senate, Senator Akpabio, any opportunity to become the Senate Presido. Say Akpabio failed to repair this section of the East-West Road when he be Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, even when he promised them saying go fix them. The youth can call on Presido Tinubu to come touchlight this matter as them don't tire to the cry to their government as they know they hear their cry at all.
Upon our findings, we discovered that at the time this road was awarded, we had the Minister of Niger Delta in person of Akpabio. To utmost dismay, that money was allotted, that money was collected. What was that money used for? You look at the deplorable state of the road, and nobody's saying anything. Akpabio should not be nominated or elected by worthy senators. My reasons being that your history, your antecedent should be able to lead to a projection of your present position you are aiming at.
The deplorable state of the roads in the Niger Delta. And Akpabio had a golden opportunity to make things right in the Niger Delta when he held sway as Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, but he blew it. I don't think that he has a right to aspire to the number 3 man of the country.
Coming to see that this same man that they gave Niger Delta Ministry to manage could not do anything. This road, they gave him, they allocated money to him, he could not do anything. And coming to see that he wants to be the Senate President, it's so disheartening. Because Mr. President should also understand that the foundational level of his government is very important. Because once you ignore the root system of any tree, its fruit will secretly begin to wither. Even if it goes on to bear fruit, they won't be palatable. So please, Mr. President, listen to our voice. Feel our cry.
This road has been awarded for him and he did nothing. We even come out here some time ago, but he promised, keeping up promise, and he could not do anything. So now that is why we are here now, today, to call on President Tinubu to come and assist us, to work and help us to walk this road for us. Let it not involve Akpabio. We don't need Akpabio.
So many things I saw on this road made me to shed tears, because a day container fell on women, pregnant women with babies, and they died instantly on this road because of bad road. All what I will see, ROCC will come and mark the road, Mr. Akpabio. And the Akpabio is not helping us. He has not done anything to us. He made everything self-centered.
Some transport workers constitute mouth on how the bad road they affect them.
This road is not money they come out for River State. Oh yeah, there yeah. Everything they follow here. One person go collect money. This road. Person when I say they won't give you a waiting that they call her for Abuja. Akpabio na chop money for this road. May I bring the money before they put her for anything. May they want this road. Every day, container they fall, tanker they fall, woman be they fall, no let to waka.
From River State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.